Guys, this is huge. I'm Dr. Charles Livingston here from Lifeboost Coffee, and as most of you know, Lifeboost is all about health. Our coffees are all organic, third-party tested for toxins, and sustainably grown. Not to mention, coffee is stomach-friendly and easy on your teeth because of our specialty low-acid coffee beans. I'm excited to announce not only do we have the healthiest coffees on the planet, but we now also have organic healthy teas for you to enjoy as well. Just like with coffee, most teas naturally have many health benefits, and with high quality, sustainably sourced blends such as the ones we offer at Lifeboost, you can get the most out of those benefits each time you brew up a cup. If you're looking for a great breakfast tea or a bold tea to give you an afternoon boost, our Empire State Sunrise Black Tea blend is packed full of antioxidants as well as flavonoids, which have great anti-inflammatory properties. If you prefer fruitier teas, our Crimson Hibiscus Fusion has a subtle earthiness and sweetness from flavors of mango, blueberry, passion fruit, and even hints of orange. Herbs and fruits in this tea each have benefits ranging from antioxidants to vitamin C, boosting heart health, and also having the great anti-inflammatory properties most teas provide as well. Or if you want a soothing, calming tea, our Golden Sand Serenity is a classic chamomile tea which can aid in digestion as well as sleep. Coffee, as well as most teas, contain antioxidants and great boosts for your body, ranging from digestive aids to disease prevention. Now, with plenty more tea flavors to come, Lifeboost now has a bit of everything, no matter what your preference is. So I cannot wait for you to enjoy this. If you have any questions, just shoot us an email at support@lifeboostcoffee.com and or just give us a call. We'd love to be able to help you out as much as possible. So cheers. Here's to Lifeboost Tea. If you're looking for a great breakfast tea or a bold tea to give you an afternoon boost, redo.